Okay, write down the coordinates of point A. Okay, now you notice point A is located over here. So how can we sort of represent that with a coordinate? But remember, with coordinates, we always go across first and then up or down. In this case, it's going to be up. So you start at the origin, yeah? And you need to appreciate, to get to A, we've got to go across, right? That amount there. So we go across 4 units, and then we're going to go up, aren't we? So if we read across then and look at the axes, you notice we've gone up 2. So we've gone across 4, up 2. And in terms of the coordinate, then we write 4, 2. Right? Always put the across number first, the x number. So you've gone across 4, up 2. Part B then, it says the point D is such that ABCD is a rectangle. Plot and mark the point D on the graph paper above. So if it's a rectangle, you'd appreciate then that the side then will go vertically here, okay, and it'll stop at the same height of A, okay, and we can mark that point D there. So there's my coordinate there of D, or there's my point. So I've marked there, and it's created a rectangle. Now how do you get to that point D? Well, remember, you go across first. So in this case then, from the origin, we go across, but we've got to go backwards, haven't we? We've got to go into the negative numbers. So we go back to minus 2, okay? Back to minus 2, and we're going to go up 2. Okay, so back to minus 2, and up to 2 there, okay? So they don't actually ask for it, but it's good to sort of note that down. Part C then, it says E and F are 2 points such that BEFC is a rectangle congruent to ABCD. So that word congruent, okay, literally means the same. Okay, so we've got a new rectangle, BEFC, and it's the same as ABCD. So if you look at ABCD there, we want a rectangle which is identical to this, same size, same area, okay? And the rectangle will be called BEFC. If you notice here, it's got the letters B and C in it, all right? So we need to have B and C as corner points or vertices of my new rectangle, okay? So in fact, that's going to be a side, isn't it, of the rectangle. So what we can do then, to get the other 2 vertices, the other 2 corner points, E and F, we could then locate them maybe down here, okay? So we've got maybe E here, all right? And F here. The reason why I put them down here is because then we've got a rectangle here which is identical to that rectangle, okay? And the rectangle needs to have the same width, okay? So that would be a width of 3, and of course then the same length. So you notice then they're identical. So the coordinates then, well, let's do E first, okay? Well, to get to E, remember now you start at the origin, we've got to go across first. So we go across 4 and then down here to negative 4. So it'll be 4, negative 4, okay? And the other coordinate then for F, well, you've got to go from the origin again, you've got to go across, you go back 2, so to minus 2, and then down to minus 4, okay? So that's how you get to F there, back to minus 2, down to minus 4.